A great deck is perfect in any season, whether it's moving outside for spring suppers, summer sunset cocktails, or fall football parties, or winter warm-ups by roaring fire. So you want a special spot for all the fun gatherings. Let me show you some easy ideas to design a deck that's dressed and ready for entertaining. Use technology tools to play with your space's design. I love a big outdoor space, and when I'm planning out the design, one of the handiest ways to give me a great visual is the Trex Deck Designer tool. I can input dimensions, choose deck colors, add elements like stairs and railings. It really helps me to see what's in my head before I get started. With the Deck Designer tool, I can play with different options, do a test run before committing to a permanent solution. Create a great gathering spot for groups. I always want to have a nice sized table for hosting, plus comfy couches and chairs so that all my guests have a spot to sit and chat while they enjoy a yummy drink. This table and chairs from the Trex Outdoor Furniture Collection is so sturdy and durable. They are made specifically to withstand the extreme weather conditions, and the neutral color means it can work anywhere. Divide a bigger deck into smaller conversation spaces. With the shape of this large deck, it was super helpful to be able to use the Trex Deck Designer tool to get a great view of the area and determine how to break up the space. We opted to create a large seating area, framing the fireplace, so there would be lots of options for a crowd. Around the side of the house, there's a narrow section of the deck, so it was perfect for a swing. Using the Deck Designer tool allowed us to see the overall picture, so we knew exactly what purpose each section would serve. It also gave us dimensions for selecting the furniture and seating that would best fit the design. The Deck Designer tool also helped us to decide where to place these stairs. Considering the scale of this beautiful deck, we wanted to incorporate several entry points for easy access all around. Add accents and layers with fresh greenery and fabric and fun finds to make it extra special for entertaining. My favorite way to make an outdoor space feel cozy and welcoming is to layer in plants. Simple potted greenery on the table along with the sturdy melamine plates and pretty linens make an entertaining, pretty, but not too precious to enjoy. There are so many ways to bring in extra decor that adds dimension, but starting with Trex boards as your deck will ensure a long-lasting, beautiful base for your outdoor entertaining.